If you ever stop taking fish oil because of the fishy aftertaste, listen to this. I've been taking Natural Forces omega-3 for almost 20 years. And it's one of the biggest reasons I stayed with it is I don't get that fishy aftertaste or the fishy burps that some fish oils can leave behind. It's pharmaceutical grade and has 1,260 milligrams of omega-3 per serving. For me, it's just part of my daily routine. I take it every day and never have to worry about tasting fish the rest of the day. If you're looking for omega-3 supplement without that fishy take, this one's one I've trusted for years.